Imagine doing yoga without having to get out of bed. In today's practice, we'll have the option of doing just that as we gently stretch and relax our whole body. So whether you stay in bed or roll at your mat, let's wake up our muscles and start our day with a big happy yoga smile. Namaste. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer, returning to midline. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, sweep your arms overhead, keeping your shoulders relaxed, lifting up and out of your waist. And with each exhale, hands to prayer, returning to midline. Moving into a lateral stretch variation, reach one arm overhead with the opposite hand to the earth for support. Return to upright and repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your legs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center. Moving into shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, gradually increasing your range of motion, moving the energy. Continue breathing deeply as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around. Release and return to center. Moving into a gentle neck stretch. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder. Optional to add the light weight of your right hand to deepen this stretch. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch in the left side of your neck, all the way down into your left shoulder. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. Optional to add the light weight of your left hand to deepen this stretch as you continue breathing deeply, creating more space and ease through the right side of your neck, all the way down into your right shoulder. Stay connected to your breath as you release. Feeling unrushed, make your way to all fours, aligning your hands beneath your shoulders and your knees below your hips. With your spine long, begin to gently sway your hips from right to left, moving at your own pace, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch with your wrists beneath your shoulders and your knees below your hips. With an inhale, lift through your heart, and on your exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulders away from your ears, feeling your neck long, and with each exhale, round your spine, pressing the earth away, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching through your back body. Continue moving at your own pace, allowing this cat-cow stretch to re-energize your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center, transitioning into seated postures. Extend both your legs forward. Place the sole of your left foot to your inner right thigh. Keep your right leg active, flexing through your right heel. With an inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. And with your next exhale, lengthen your torso forward, keeping your spine long. Placing your hands to the earth for support, folding forward from your hip creases. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine. And with each exhale, gently folding deeper, allowing this forward bend to calm your mind, feeling a gentle stretch through your spine and hamstrings. Adding on, inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms reach overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Extend your left leg forward, flexing through your heel. Place the sole of your right foot to your inner left thigh. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, fold forward from your hip creases, placing your hands to the earth for support. Adding on, inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms reach overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen from the base of your spine through the crown of your head, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper. Slowly unwind and return to center, moving into cobbler's pose. Bend your knees and place the soles of your feet together with your hands to your feet or ankles, relaxing your knees out to the sides. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward, feeling your hips open, lengthening through your front torso. Slowly release and make your way onto your back for reclined postures. Moving into a gentle hip opener, cross your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Pick up your left foot and reach your right hand under your right calf muscle to clasp your hands behind your left thigh, gently drawing your legs in towards your chest. Continue relaxing through your head and neck, keeping your hips level to the earth, feeling a gentle stretch through your right outer hip. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Pick up your right foot and reach your left hand under your left calf muscle to clasp your hands behind your right thigh, gently drawing your legs in towards your chest. Continue to invite space and a steady breath, breathing wide into your outer left hip, relaxing through your neck and shoulders. Release and set both feet to the earth, moving into a reclined twist variation. Pick up your hips and move them slightly left of center. Extend your right leg to the earth. Place your left foot to your right thigh. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, use your right hand to draw your left knee across your body, keeping both shoulder blades to the earth, gently turning your head to look out over your left shoulder. With each inhale, we lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to be a tonic for your spine and belly organs. Slowly unwind and return to center, repeating on the opposite side. Pick up your hips and move them slightly right of center. Extend your left leg to the earth. Place your right foot to the top of your left thigh. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist, using your left hand to draw your right knee across your body, keeping both shoulder blades to the earth, gently turning your head to look out over your right shoulder. Slowly unwind and return to center. Moving into a reclined cobbler's pose, place the soles of your feet together, relaxing your knees open wide, placing your hands over your belly. Feel your spine long, lengthening your tailbone towards your heels, releasing tension through your thighs, hips, and low back. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like, and when you're ready, roll off to your side, coming up to take a seat. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, as it'll help YouTube remind you to stay on your fitness journey. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.